Hi, and welcome to 38140 River Street, located in Sunset Harbour, Ocean View, Delaware. Hi, I'm Heather Gates with the Ashley Brosnahan Team of Long & Foster. Come on in, I'd love to give you a tour. Walk through the foyer, we're going to go ahead and enter our first family room in this beautiful Thayer model built by Insight Homes. Large family room currently is being used as a theater room, but has a lot of flexibility for a second living room, game room, etc. On this level, you also have a fully equipped bar area, perfect for prepping your food. Are you ready for summer? This lower back deck is perfect for entertaining. See you upstairs. Okay, welcome to the second floor, and you're gonna love this space because the views are endless. Renovation done in 2019 with all upgraded appliances. On the main level, you'll find a guest room with its own private full bath. Are you working remotely nowadays? You now have the perfect office with the perfect view. Okay, welcome to the third floor. We're gonna head off to the master suite to start. Have you always dreamed of having a coffee bar in your master bedroom? Well, here it is. One upgrade you will not find anywhere in Sunset Harbour is this beautifully upgraded shower, fit for a king or queen. The upgraded lighting system in this home allows you to just click one button and turn on all the lights. The fourth bedroom can be used as a guest room because it does have a built-in Murphy's bed, or you can just use this room as a reading nook. Fourth and final bedroom also has a spectacular view and its own private balcony. I hope you can join me on Saturday from 11 to 1 p.m. And if you have any questions before then, please give me a call. I'd love to share with you the full list of upgrades on this wonderful Thayer model built by Insight Homes.